How to fix Cricut Design Space not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you're wondering how you can fix your Cricut Design Space app not working, follow this quick and easy step. First and foremost, you need to make sure that the application is available in your region. As this application is not quite available for all of the region, and if you are trying to use it via VPN, make sure to disable it quickly. This is because it will simply not work if you are connected to a VPN. If that is not the case, then check for the Wi-Fi connectivity. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into another Wi-Fi or cellular data. Enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Then you can open up your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of System Update and click on it. In your System Update, you need to ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the applications. By fixing such glitch issues, you'll be able to use the application in no time. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.